Okay guys, so here's the van here. This is actually upstairs, it's all hardwood, so we only have one room of carpet. It's a fairly big room. I'm not sure what some of these stains are, but I think this is a great job for some encap. So we are going to we're going to encap this one. I'm going to get the CRB out and show what it's doing. We just finished encapsulating a bedroom of carpet, and I want to share with you how that works. So encapsulation is a low moisture method of cleaning. Now, without getting too technical, I'm going to go over the basics and kind of explain how this works. In this case, we use a counter-rotating brush. It's a very heavy-duty machine. I just tilted it sideways so you can see. This carpet has already been vacuumed with a HEPA vacuum, and it's very, very thick pile carpet. This is what we got up, this extra gunk, if you can see that, from this scrubbing machine while we were cleaning it. And actually, what happens is it actually filled these trays. So you can totally tell inside that tray is full of gunk. So on a really, really basic standpoint, what happens is we spray this, after vacuuming, this non-toxic chemical that does not need to be rinsed out of the carpet, and it actually helps protect the carpet to stay cleaner longer, which is so amazing. And then we use our machine over the top of it, and it gets some amazing, amazing results. Let me just show you real quick here. Here's kind of the after product. It's absolutely incredible. I just wanted to share with you guys, so enjoy the rest of this video and have a wonderful day.